Who are you going to be?
What?
Who are you going to be?
I'm going to be doctor.
All right, and I'm going to be gravedigger. Now, remember, we're playing this game, but we are... Yeah, we're using our words too. So, we'll do it, and then you talk to me about what just happened. So, I've got gravedigger, you've got...
Donkey.
Yeah, demon dog, is that what it is? Monster mutt. You're monster mutt, I'm gravedigger.
I'm just getting ready.
You count.
Ready? 1, 2.
So what happened?
Okay, so
Gravedigger.
Gravedigger zoomed past him. What's his name?
Monster mutt. Monster mutt.
Who's this guy?
Oh, no, he's monster mutt. He's gravedigger.
Gravedigger went past him.
Can you use a different word than went? Use something that has a lot of...
Past.
Yeah, so gravedigger... Past him.
And then they turned over Gravedigger, and then he flied in the air and turned over.
Okay, so let me see if I can try another way to say it. Oh no, let's try that again. Let's try it one more time and see if we can get it to hit mid.
Okay.
But this is kind of what I'm looking for. So, you were Monster Mutt. Monster Mutt rushed down the track. Jumped into the air and missed Gravedigger. And they both crashed to the ground. So, all those have that ED. Rushed, jumped, crashed. That tells me that it's already happened, right? Those are the types of words I want you to use and make it happen. First what we'll do is, okay, I'll be Monster Mutt. Okay, ready? Mark, get set, go! Oh shoot, I was late. Okay, now, you describe to me what happened. Monster Mutt
was too late. I hit for him, and then Gravedigger jumped, and then hit the ground, landed, and he turned over.
He hit the ground and he did what? He landed what?
Land.
No, he didn't land like this. He landed. Landed. What's this? On his side. On his side. Okay, try the whole thing again.
Okay, so Gravedigger, he jumped.
Jumped?
All the way down here, and then what?
Oh, well, so what is this? He jumped? What's up here called?
Thunder.
In the air.
Oh, in the air.
So he did what? He jumped?
In the air, then he did crash.
Then he crashed.
So it was like that. So it was like that, it was like that.
Yeah, I don't want like that, like that, like that. I want you to use your words. Okay, so he jumped into the air.
No, he didn't.
You show me and use your words while you're showing me. He jumped.
And then he died.
That, and what's that called?
Flip.
Oh, okay, he flipped.
And then he crashed.
And crashed. And then what?
And he landed on his side.
He landed on his side? What's the word? It's got that duh sound to it. He landed. He landed on his side.
Yeah.
All of those words have that duh sound at the end of it, which means it's already happened. Let's do this a different way. You listen. Gravedigger rushes down the track. He jumps into the air. He flips 2 times, lands on the ground. All of those things, I'm telling you as they happen, right? Was there any duh? Or did I use rushed, flipped, landed? Did I use any of those words? Not that time. Because they were happening as I was talking about it. He jumps. He flips. He lands. He stops. Now listen. Watch. I'm going to talk about something that just happened. Gravedigger rushed down the track. He jumped into the air. He flipped over and landed on the ground. Those things, I was describing something that already happened. Now, you try to do that same thing for me and use Mohawk. Do that exact same thing.
You did?
Do just what I did.
Okay, so his name?
Mohawk.
Mohawk rushed in a backward
Flipped.
flipped, and then he landed on his feet and stopped.
Good job. Good job. Did you hear all those ED words? Right. So, now let's see if we can crash into each other.